All right, check it. We're gonna cook a board in the reflow oven. First, I gotta put some solder paste on. This is an old cursed PCB, so it's fine if it goes to waste. And then we're gonna cook this thing and see how it does. See if the infrared makes it all peel up or if it works just fine. Let's try. I'm not gonna put any parts on. I'm just gonna put some solder paste to test it out. It really doesn't need to be that complicated. Just seeing if it melts on all the spots and how it does, whatever. So I'm just gonna go around like this, put the solder paste down, and then throw it in the oven. Sweet. All right, that's the last of it. Let me clean this up, put it back. I just keep it in here. It's like a little degen, and then I'll put that in my fridge later. But let's go ahead, take this board, bring it down to the reflow oven. We're gonna go here. I already have selected the profile to be leaded solder. Although, you know what I am gonna do? I'm gonna turn it up. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it up. I want it to be higher. I throw some other boards in there just to test it out. I'll probably add even more, see where it burns. And then I'm gonna use the lead-free profile. Let's see, so we're gonna go ahead and select, scroll through until we find it. Let me show you. Scroll through. I think that's probably it right there, the first one. Ramps up and then hits like 250, which is really high, but that's probably good for lead free that needs like 220 or something. So let's try that. And then again, I'll throw in a couple more boards to see what burns and we'll start it up. All right, here we go. Put those in there. Oh, that's not what we want. Those there, those there. Perfect. Now let's throw it in. Hit select. And then I will do a little manual. We're gonna F2 increase that because it says preheat it to like 40 or something like that. So I'm just heating it up quick and then I'll start that. Okay, there we go, preheated. I put it up a little higher. We're at 50. Now let's go ahead. I have the profile selected, just this one here. Boom, done, and start. So it's gonna cook along, and I'll show you guys when it gets up near here and the oven's all red and stuff. And then hopefully the solder paste on that one melts and we've got a working board. Not a working board because there's no parts on it, but placing components would take a little bit longer and I just want to test it out. But I'll start it up in a second. All right, it's getting near the peak here. We look inside, it's absolutely cooking now. Let's see, can we zoom in? Enhance, computer, enhance. It looks like we maybe got some melting. Oh, there, I just saw something melt. Yeah, definitely got some melting. Hopefully we're not cooking the boards into oblivion. Because that's, like, they're black boards and it does infrared heating, so could be bad news, but let's see, we're right near the peak now. So it's gonna start cooling. It's stinky in here, it's stinky. Yeah, it smells like burning rubber, but we're on the way down. I've got the window open and this is blowing out the window, but it absolutely stinks like burning rubber. All right, we're about to really start dropping some temperature now. The fan should be blowing. It's gonna pump it out the back. You can see the fan, the flapping. Cool down, little boards, cool down. All right, it just hit us with the beep, which means it's done. It's still a little warm in there, but let's inspect. Okay, so what I'm gonna check for here, any burnt boards? Not that I'm seeing, which is a good sign. And it looks like everything melted. Hell yeah. I'll take that out in a second and we'll check it out. All right, man, get a load of this. That's pretty good. proper melting. I'm not seeing any burns. All right. Exciting. I'm ready to I'm ready to try this on some other boards. Sweet. So I know this was just a little test with just this random board, but I feel like I'm ready to try it out with some of the actual ones, because I'm gonna do like a production run of 60 of these like cursed PCBs. Sorry, my autofocus keeps getting locked, but I'm gonna do a little production run of like 60 of these. So this will be really nice, rather than having to watch it on the hot plate the whole time or whatever. So sweet. Anyways, thanks for watching.